Hey guys, I'm back again. A girl, a game, and a goal. DD the girl. The game is Crystallo, and the goal is to show you what's inside. And I'm going to talk a little bit about why I might have purchased this. So, it's a puzzle game. It's a card game, and I enjoy puzzly type games. And so I decided to pick this up. I think I did get it, like I said in my unboxing when I received it from my order, that I did like myself a good puzzle game. And so looking for something to open this with, because the scissors were like so gigantic. I think I had purchased this as a print and play, and it was just going to be too ink intensive, and then when I find that it is actually produced, I said I went ahead and I got it. So it is by Deepwater Games. It is for 8 and above, 1+ players, and it's 30 minutes long, and it's got the Dice Tower seal of approval. So, you know, I don't know who gave the seal of approval, because, you know, I'm sure if you watch the Dice Tower, there are certain people with whom your taste may align, and therefore, if they give you the approval, you are more apt to buy. So, throw this out, and let's see what's inside. It's a relatively small box, so this one will actually fit on my screen for the most part. Oh, there's an actual hole. Ooh. So that's interesting. There was another game that I had purchased that was visually you can see, and I think they did that so then you were having to maintain this plastic because of this visual, so that this could be there. But it gets to be a little bit it could be a pain in the butt. But I guess if you don't mind getting rid of the box, you could probably just shove everything inside this bag. We shall see. We shall see. Some people would think that that's blasphemous. So here's the container. Here's the bag of goodies. Nice soft velvet. Ooh, it's lined. Very pretty. And, you know, these are the basic gems you get in any crafty store. You can probably get these. They are pretty nice. This one has a little hanger on. They're not sharp. They have edges. They sound nice in the hand, so that's not bad. Let's put them back over here. Okay, let's keep them in the shop because they're so cute. Anyway, let's see what's in the bag. So again, the bag is really nice, and if we open up the bag, we have even more crystals in the bag. So it looks like we would have exactly 3 of each type of crystal. We've got a deck of cards. Text. Told you I wasn't going to be editing these. I want to get back into this channel, and the editing was killing me. So if this is not your kind of video, I'm sorry, but life is going to just keep happening in the background. So we open the deck of cards. The box is it's okay. It doesn't have any nice texture or anything. I'm having a hard time opening it. I hope that's not an indicator of the quality of the cards. There's those. We're gonna hear hello. Oh, these are nice and smooth. They have blue background, dark deep blue, and they have the bonus card of some sort, and then they have these brownish cards with characters. And it almost feels like an embossing, but I don't know if it's an embossing or because of the layering of a shiny ink. I don't know if you can tell. The critters are a bit shinier than the actual background. So we have the firefox, the phoenix, the unicorn, the ice wolf, the seahorse, the fairy. Oh, she looks so sad. The black dragon. Ooh, put that down. This guy is longer. Put them together. That's nice. Then they have a key, treasure bonuses, and then here's where the puzzly aspect comes in. I saw this played by Shut Up and Sit Down. I forgot his name. Quint. I don't know. And he was the one that showed that on like print and plays and stuff like that. So that's when I had gotten it initially. So the book is little. I don't like that it's bent. I mean, if it's gonna be in a bag, let it be in a bag, and you just sell it in the bag. But you had a box, so you could have had this lay there and not be all bent up. So that's a criticism, I know. So the book is like palm of your hand size. It's about 14 pages, but that includes an adventure log on 2 of them. 12 has an acknowledgement. There's a scoring table on 11. So basically, there's about 10 pages of instruction on how to play, and so that's going to be interesting. It says 1 player in the book. See, 1 player. But on the box it said 1+ player. So I don't know how that would be working out. Again, this is something that I might want to bring to the stream as a way to have a conversation and engage with my community over on Twitch. So I'm looking forward to this. It looks like it might have a pretty large footprint, which might be an issue. It doesn't want to go in. Which might be an issue for me because I am working off of a desk that has a limited amount of space. I have done other roll and writes, things like that, but this seems a little bit tight. This might be a little bit tight, but again, I haven't read the whole rules on gameplay. I mean, you're seeing this and I'm focusing in this little spot right here, but I do have wider, and when I do videos where I play, my head is not that big. So, but since we're just chatting, I thought I would have it full size. So I'm not gonna put everything back in the bag. I'm just gonna lay that. That's how it could have been. I mean, honestly, it didn't have to bend up the rule book, and they would have still had the ability to have everything in here, and we could have figured out putting it in ourselves. So I don't know. There's nothing here really that's showing the gameplay, but I know that you're laying the cards on top of each other, and you're creating and making pairs, I think, and matching of the gems. So it looks really, really interesting, and I want to get to play this. But that's what's inside, and so hopefully it piques your interest. And if you want to check it out, you can let me know in the comments below, and maybe I will be posting on YouTube when I figure out my calendar for Twitch. Other than that, any other place you want to find me, I have a lot of stuff going on YouTube, are in the links in the description bar, and hopefully you'll come back and say hi and check out some more stuff that I have to share with you. And until then, keep playing games, and remember that board gaming is not a spectator sport, so you gotta grab those dice and play. And until next time, bye.